Hey guys, welcome back. This is Caden with Taco Vinyl TV, and today we're going to be talking about some of the best modifications you can make to the rear end of your Tacoma. To get started, our number one modification that we would suggest is going to be these little license plate taillights. A lot of the times, the ones that come stock, or I'd say all the time, they're just not quite bright enough. These guys have the right amount of output to really light up your license plate. Really cheap, inexpensive. You can find those on our website. Super easy installation. It's literally plug and play. So, number two is going to be found in this little guy. You guys have probably already seen these already. Very popular. This is a tailgate insert, satin black. They're slightly elevated. I'm going to take this out really quick for you guys. I should adhere it onto this piece of paper for you. Easy. They're slightly elevated. They're about 1/8 of an inch thick. Makes for a perfect little beveled raised edge for you guys. So you're gonna have more of a pop on that Tacoma. So that's these guys. Following in that same footsteps as this, almost that blackout theme, is gonna be the 4x4 and the V6. A lot of the times it's just the V6, a lot of times 4x4 and TRD. Kind of depending on whatever you guys have, the model you guys have will depend on what blackout you need. Blackouts are always essential. Chrome is an acquired taste. For those of you who do not like it, got these blackouts for you. Fourth modification I would suggest is a Taco Vinyl hitch cover. You have the classic 3 stripes here. This is an in-house custom made a hitch cover. It's all metal. You're gonna have 2 different places for that receiver. And then on the front, classic Taco Vinyl logo, and we can do any color you want. So essentially what we do is we get ours powder coated. They're made, stamped, powder coated, and then we put in that vinyl sticker for you to make them any color you're wanting. So that's an example of our lady-owned Toyota scheme. This is a classic scheme. Great modification. Number 5, and the last one we'll be talking about today, will be to take off, once again, some of that chrome off your rear end. And these are complete replacements. They come with the essential clip-ins to make sure that you're gonna be able to insert those properly into the rear end, completely take away that chrome. This is an 8W2. All of these are painted professionally by our local painter that we do a lot of things with. He's a great guy. And so they have your classic PPG paint, Toyota colors. Understand that these aren't going to be 100% paint match to your vehicle, mainly because, yes, we are using the same paint code, but unless we have your vehicle here in-house, we cannot blend the paint and match it perfectly. So you're gonna get a great match. We haven't had a lot of complaints about this or the paint matching, nearly none at all. But there are those who will say, hey, it's not 100% match, and we're not telling you guys that it's gonna be 100% match. There's just no possible way we can do that, like I said, unless we have your vehicle here. So this is that standard cap. If you don't have a sensor for your backup, that's what, if you do have a sensor for your backup style, you guys got this. The tech package can pop through here. That sensor will be able to make its way through there, and you'll still be able to have that. And so this is another one of our colors. This is 6v7 Army Green. Very popular, beautiful paint. All of them are, it's a 2-stage paint and then clear coated, as well as that primer underneath. So these are gonna last a long time and be a great modification for you. So this will be the last one we'll be talking about today. If you have any questions about any of the things we went over today, or any questions in general, shoot us a call at 208-697-4555, or shoot us an email at support@tacovinyl.com. We'll put it in the item description, as well as the links for each of these items so you guys can easily find them. But we'll see you till then.